This pose is beneficial to your arms, legs and cardiovascular system. Stand with your thighs closed, and raise your hands over your head. Then bend your knees and come to a sitting pose. Bend your torso forward slightly and extend your arms forward to keep your balance. Hold this pose. Breathe regularly. Don't let your knees go over your toes. Put your weight on your heels.